Hello everyone, today we will see how to create this floating input labels. So when we click on this placeholder, the label will be keeps on floating, and when we put some data, when we enter some data, the label should be in the floating state, and also it should keep on in the floating state until we remove the data or empty that field. When we empty that field, so it will again occupy the placeholder position, and if we click on that field, it will be keep on floating. Let's see how to create this. So let's start from the HTML. Here comes our main logic. So let me explain this. So what does this states? For example, we have a input tag, and so focus in the sense. So when we click on the input field, for example, when we click on this input field, so the label is floating. That is what. So when we click on that input field, the label has to be floated. So here how it is floating, and also so until the placeholder becomes empty, it should be keep on floating. For example, if I empty this and let's see, so it should occupy the position of a placeholder. So until it is, if we type something again in this, so it keeps on floating. Or when we simply click on that placeholder, it is keep on floating. That is what. So if we click on that focus in the sense, if we click on that placeholder, the label has to be floated. And also until the placeholder is not empty, so until the field become not empty, the label has to be floated. So that is the main logic behind this. And let's style the remaining login button. Or we enter some data, the label is keep on floating. So until we we make that field empty. And yeah, password is also working fine. I hope you like this, and if you guys like this, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.